Hey guys, today let's talk about AI. You know, artificial intelligence. It's everywhere. From the moment you wake up to the time you go to bed, AI is working behind the scenes to make your life easier and more connected. From YouTube recommendations to self-driving cars, AI is changing the game. Imagine watching a video, and the next one that pops up is exactly what you wanted to see. That's AI predicting your interests. Remember when you searched for something online, and boom, similar suggestions popped up? That's AI in action. It's like having a personal shopper who knows exactly what you need. It learns your preferences and shows you stuff you might like. Whether it's a new song, a movie, or even a product, AI curates content just for you. AI is like having a super smart assistant who can analyze tons of data and make predictions. It helps businesses make better decisions and even predicts trends before they happen. It's making our lives easier and more efficient. From smart home devices that control your lights and thermostat, to AI tools that streamline your work, the possibilities are endless. So, are you ready to dive into the world of AI? It's an exciting journey, and we're just getting started. Let's explore how AI is transforming our world, one innovation at a time. Now you might be thinking, AI sounds complicated. But guess what? It doesn't have to be. With one-click AI engineering solutions, you can experience the power of AI without any coding knowledge. Imagine this. You want to build a chatbot for your website, but coding is not your thing. No worries, one-click AI platforms let you create a chatbot with just a few clicks. These platforms provide pre-built templates and easy-to-use interfaces. You can customize everything with simple drag-and-drop options. It's like magic. Traditionally, AI required serious coding skills, but not anymore. One-click solutions have democratized AI, making it accessible to everyone. These platforms handle all the complex stuff behind the scenes. You don't need to understand algorithms or write complex code. Just focus on what you want to achieve. Want to analyze customer data for insights? No problem. One-click AI tools can process your data and generate reports with actionable recommendations. Easy peasy. Section 4. Tools for everyone, from beginners to experts. In today's fast-paced world, technology is evolving at an unprecedented rate. It's crucial to stay updated, whether you're just starting out or you're